I want my money back. That is the first thing I can say about Rhode Skincare. Rhode Skincare by Hailey Bieber has been going viral for over 2 years, and it is not just her peptide lip glosses जो बहुत वायरल हुए, लोगों को इतने पसंद आए कि उसे देख देख के काफी सारे इंडियन ब्रांड्स ने कॉपी मार के काफी सबस्टैंडर्ड पेप्टाइड लिप प्लम्पिंग बाम्स बनाए हैं. That's not the only thing. Her skincare has been loved by celebrities, celebrity influencers. I have been seeing these products all over social media and I really wanted to get it. But मैंने खरीदा नहीं क्यों? Because the ingredient list was a little disappointing. But over the last 1 year, ये मैंने सीखा है that ingredient list is not the full story. Formulation से भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, and that is why I finally bit the bullet and I picked up 2 products. I picked up the Rhode Barrier Restore Cream and I picked up Alia Bhatt's favorite Peptide Glazing Fluid by Rhode. इनका एक बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग मिल्की टोनर है विच इज कॉल्ड द ग्लेजिंग लिक्विड, जो मैंने नहीं खरीदा बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू टेस्ट दीज 2 प्रोडक्ट्स. अगर मुझे ये पसंद आया देन आई एम गोइंग टू बाय एवरीथिंग एल्स इंक्लूडिंग द क्लेंजर. But the results have been really disappointing. There are only 3 kinds of people जिन्हें ये product पसंद आएगा. Number 1, if you're 15 years old and आपकी skin flawless है, कोई fine lines नहीं, कोई wrinkles नहीं, you're like nice and plump at 15, प्राइम ऑफ योर यूथ, आपको ये प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत इफेक्टिव लगेंगे. सेकंड कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल हु स्किन इज एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई एंड जो रहते हैं इन एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड ड्राई कंट्रीज, उन्हें भी शायद ये प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद आए. एंड तीसरी कैटेगरी के लोग जिन्हें ये प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत पसंद आएंगे आर पीपल हु नो नथिंग अबाउट स्किन केयर, हु आर जस्ट इन दैट होल Hailey Bieber inertia that this is so amazing, etc. Nonetheless, my friends, if you're like me and you're getting influenced, then this video is just for you because we are reviewing the Rhode Skincare. I'm going to also tell you what some other products, all this and much more in today's video. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी skincare bestie and a certified skincare consultant. Today we are reviewing Hailey Bieber's Rhode Skincare, something that I have waited for so many years. Before we get started, you know the drill. Like, subscribe if you enjoy science-packed daily content because I make a new video every single day here on Skincare Simplified, the only channel on planet Earth जहां आपको मिलते हैं detailed skincare routines and detailed product reviews भी कि product में actually क्या है. Because काफी products की औकात तो ingredient list से ही पता चल जाती है और जो नहीं पता चलती उसे हम test करके यहाँ review करते हैं. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button. We have channel memberships. We also have a monthly giveaway and I'm just so happy to announce, guys, we crossed 1 million on Instagram. Super excited. Okay, let's get started. Let's first talk about this one, the Peptide Glazing Fluid, जो basically है तो एक serum, but this is a very creamy serum. It feels like a lightweight moisturizer. इस तरह का ये फॉर्मूला है. दिस इज द पेप्टाइड ग्लेजिंग फ्लूइड. इसे टेक्निकली सेरम कहा जाता है. नाउ दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट आई फर्स्ट सॉ इन वन ऑफ आलिया भट्ट्स वीडियोज वेयर शी वाज विद हर सिस्टर, आई बिलीव, एंड शी हैड यूज्ड दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड शी सेड दिस इज सो अमेजिंग एक्सेट्रा. नाउ लेट्स फर्स्ट गेट इनटू द इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट दिस टू बी अ रैंट वीडियो. नाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट इटसेल्फ, जैसे कि आपने देखा, इट इज अ लाइट, लेट्स से कि वो लोग क्या कहते हैं, सो दे कॉल इट अ लाइट वेट क्विक अब्सॉर्बिंग gel serum, which is true. Lightweight है, quick absorbing है, gel serum है, looks a little like a cream. It is that will plump, hydrate and support a healthy looking skin barrier. Now you need to understand one thing. The entire line is focused on glow, skin barrier, all of those good things. So let's look at the key ingredients that they feature. Niacinamide, जो हर चीज में होता है, including cornflakes. Peptides. Now listen very carefully. She said peptides, यानी plural. Hyaluronic acid, जो हर चीज में होता है, marual oil. Now we've got all of these good things. Let's look at the full ingredient list because ये आपके 4 key hero pillars हैं. जब हम इसकी ingredient list देखते हैं, your first 5-6 ingredients obviously have water, glycerine, Biera seed oil which is giving it that hydration, niacinamide, you've got your hexapeptide 8, one peptide, hexapeptide 8 यानी बोटॉक्स इन अ बॉटल, अर्जिलाइन, ये आपको एक पेप्टाइड मिलता है. उसके अलावा आपको इसमें और कोई पेप्टाइड्स नहीं मिलते. हाइलुरोनिक एसिड इज राइट एट द एंड एंड दैट, वहां पे स्टोरी खत्म हो जाती है. कोई भी क्रीम सेरम बनाने के लिए 3-4 टाइप के इंग्रेडिएंट्स लगते हैं. सो वी नीड वाटर, ऑब्वियसली, बेस या ऑयल. We obviously have glycerine, squalene, paki shea butter, इस तरह के humectants, hydrating ingredients होते हैं. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide होता है. whole bunch of ingredients are just emollients. Emollients क्या होते हैं? जो आपके serums को एक soft texture देते हैं. You have preservatives जिससे आपके products खराब नहीं होते. So वो तो आपके 8-10 standard ingredients होते ही हैं in every product. उसके अलावा if you look at the hero, you've got niacinamide जो 2% से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. You've got hexapeptidate, which looking at this is like less than 1%. You've got sodium hyaluronate right at the end. Basically, it is so bare basic. And you know, the point of hexapeptidate, argireline, is to give you that instant freezing look. And over time, आपके wrinkles को reduce करता है. This does nothing. मैंने इस product को almost खत्म कर दिया है because I've been using this now for a month. And hiding stuff for you guys for more than a month is tough. This is almost over, and I'll tell you one thing, guys. I have literally just used it like a moisturizer because this doesn't quite give me the serum kind of a thing. So I just use it as a moisturizer. Price wise, अगर हम Rhode Skincare की बात करें, I don't think the pricing is bad. Everything like her cream, serum, everything is around $30. $30 for a premium skincare brand is actually a good pricing. Like $10, $5 जैसे ordinary inky list होता है, that is a low cost, but this product is not like a bad price point. However, for the kind of stuff you're getting for $30, I would not even spend $10 on it, which is why I said I want my money back. I don't recommend it. अगर आपको फिर भी बड़ा मन कर रहा है, try करना है, खरीद लो, use it like a moisturizer, it's okay. The next product I used, which I think is one of the best products from the line, is the Barrier Restore Cream. Why? Because at least यहाँ पे वो अपने promise पे थोड़ा तो they have kind of met their promise. If you look at this cream, first we are going to go at the description जो Rhode कहता है. Rich but lightweight cream moisturizer to comfort and soothe the skin, restore the skin barrier because that is critical, antioxidant peptide powerhouse. ये थोड़ी सी marketing copy है. It's not an antioxidant peptide powerhouse. It will make your skin smoother and softer over time. वो सही है. It will make your skin smoother. It will make your skin softer. Let's look at the key ingredients. अब key ingredients में आता है shea butter. Hydrate करता है, moisturize करता है, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin D, squalene. We love squalene. Peptides हैं. अब यहाँ भी peptides plural में लिखा है. Acai है, which is like acai berry का जो extract होता है, acai, which is an antioxidant rich product, protects the skin, niacinamide. Now let's look at the full ingredient list, little bit of a joke. Glycerine, Paki shea butter, your niacinamide, squalene, ये सब आ गया पहले. इसके बाद they have given you actually a few peptides. Oligopeptide 78, octapeptide 24, you get another hexapeptide 27, tetrapeptide 2. Basically इसमें 5-6 आपको peptides मिल जाते हैं at a decent concentration. The total concentration of the peptides in this will be at about 2%. बाकी सब तो काफी कम है. But this is a product that I actually did not mind using. And for $30, I don't think this is a bad product. In fact, अगर आप एक anti-aging moisturizer चाहते हैं, this is a really, really lightweight formula. Look at it. It's super lightweight. And yes, I'm just using it on my hands right now, but this really gives you a really good effect. As an anti-aging moisturizer for $30, it's good. अब $30 guys होता है about 2,500 रुपए. But in India, if you check the prices from international websites जो इस product को sell कर रहे हैं, they are selling it at 4,800 rupees, 5,000 rupees. That is a bit of a kill. But if you live in the United States, if you're in the UAE, and I'll let you know about the website I got this from. The website is called Glamazelle.com. It is run by a lady who has एक टाइम था जब Glamazelle used to launch products before Sephora. हाँ, बहुत पुरानी बात है. But Glamazelle is a website I always go to because I know वो internationally source करके stock करते हैं products. And if there is something you can't get in a Sephora, you will get in Glamazelle. So this is a product which I think is pretty good as a moisturizer, and at a price point, it is not bad. But is this your total anti-aging solution? No, darling, it's not. You will still need your regular peptide serum. You will still need your retinol. उसके ऊपर सब कुछ seal करने के लिए, this is a decent product you can use if you get it at the $30 price. Otherwise, don't waste your money. And which is why I say that this is actually one of the best products that they have in their line, because इसमें सच में काफी peptides हैं. This has a lot of hydrating ingredients. This is a good product. Now let's talk about the product that I did not order, जो मुझे order करना था, the glazing milk, जिसके layers and layers करके people have been looking all beautiful. Now इसकी price भी is $30, but again if I look at the ingredients, अब कहते हैं इसमें ceramides हैं, beta glucan है, which is again great for locking in moisturizer. You have a copper blend, you have magnesium zinc. की इंग्रेडिएंट्स में तो स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है, बट एज यू गो डाउन I do see that this gives you two types of ceramides. This gives you sodium hyaluronate. This gives you whatever else. But again, peptide story weak hai, ceramides hai, hyaluronic acid hai, beta glucan hai, all of those nice things. But I have not used this product, but I would really say you can get a Korean toner for $15 and you would be just fine. I don't think this is worth the money. Plus, the way this is formulated, I think ये बहुत heavy hoga. So if you especially have oily, acne prone skin, then this puri line, the Rhode skincare line, is not for people who have oily, acne prone skin. You will end up breaking out at some point or the other. So don't waste your money on it. This is an overview of the Rhode skincare, you guys. Do I feel I made a huge mistake? No, because this is a part of my job. I have to test out products. मुझे आपको उनकी reality बतानी है. But overall, I'm super disappointed. And I really feel कि एंड ना जब कुछ नया नया लॉन्च होता है मैं हमेशा ट्राई करती हूँ कि इमीडिएटली ना खरीदूं बिकॉज देन आई एम ऑल्सो फीडिंग इन टू द हाइप आई लाइक टू गिव माई सेल्फ सम टाइम आई लाइक टू सी द मार्केट टेस्ट इट आउट एंड रोड इज अ ब्रांड जो कॉन्स्टेंटली वायरल जा रहा था वेदर इट वाज देयर लिप प्लम्पिंग ग्लॉस और वेदर इट वाज समथिंग एल्स और इट्स देयर चीक टिंट नाउ कुछ ना कुछ इनका वायरल जा रहा था एंड आई रियली फेल्ट दैट ओके दिस ब्रांड इज गुड इट इज रियली स्टूड द टेस्ट ऑफ टाइम it's just one of those celebrity brands. But as a celebrity brand, I still think this is much better than, say, a Kim Kardashian Beauty, a Kylie Beauty, or a Kylie Makeup. Agar Hollywood celebrities की बात करें, I think this is one of the better celebrity brands. This is not like a total money rip-off. But other than that, there is nothing spectacular about it. So if you were thinking of getting Rhode, now you know what to do. Like I said, extremely dry skin. If you live in a cold, dry place, this is going to be with you for you. But people who are living in India, Dubai, any of these countries, Saudi Arabia, GCC, बहुत गर्मी होती है, ह्यूमिडिटी इज एट एन ऑल टाइम हाई. आई डोंट थिंक आप इन प्रोडक्ट्स को एंजॉय करेंगे. आई डू थिंक दैट दिस कुड लाइक पोटेंशियली कॉज ब्रेकआउट्स. बट द वन थिंग दैट इज गुड इज दिस इंटायर लाइन इज फ्रेग्रेंस फ्री, विच मीन्स कि अगर किसी की स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव है वो भी इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. ओवरऑल माई रेटिंग फॉर रोड स्किन केयर इज 5 on 10. Nothing spectacular. How did you like this video? Are you going to try this brand out? Have you tried anything from Rhode? और कुछ मुझे recommend करना चाहते हैं? Let me know in the comments. I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Till then, take great care of yourself. Bye.